What to expect during the initial inspection from a pest control company starts with a focused property survey and clear discussion of findings. The technician will begin by visually surveying the exterior and interior for entry points, nesting sites, moisture sources, food access, and signs of activity like droppings, tracks, shed skin, or damage. And they will explain what each sign means in plain language. They will inspect common hotspots such as foundation, perimeters, eaves, attics, crawl spaces, utility penetrations, kitchens, and basements, using a flashlight and sometimes a probe to check voids and behind appliances. Expect the inspector to lift limited items like cushions or rugs when necessary, and to ask you specific questions about sightings, timing, and patterns so they can correlate evidence with likely species and life stages. A good technician will describe treatment options that match the infestation severity in biology, including targeted baits, perimeter barriers, trapping, habitat modification, and localized sprays, and they should explain how long each option takes to work and what signs of success to watch for. They should also outline any necessary homeowner preparation, such as clearing access, temporarily moving food and pet dishes, and securing children and pets during application, and they will set expectations for follow-up visits and monitoring intervals. If the problem involves structural or moisture issues beyond routine pest work, they will note those conditions and recommend a contractor or specific repairs to prevent recurrence. Common mistakes include treating without a proper inspection, which leads to missed entry points and recurring activity, so insist on a systematic survey and a written plan before any chemical application. Another frequent issue is misunderstanding the biology of the pest, which causes premature judgment that control failed. So ask the technician to explain the pest life cycle and realistic timelines for reduction so you know when to expect results. A third problem is inadequate homeowner preparation that reduces treatment effectiveness. So follow the preparatory steps your technician gives, communicate any constraints like pet sensitivities, and schedule follow-up checks rather than assuming one visit is enough. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and pest professionals by listing services and letting users compare offerings and experiences. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, ask questions, and share real-world outcomes so you can learn what worked for others.